Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this 2018 264 BHW. It is a Jayco product. This is a pre-owned piece of inventory for us. It's very nice, but we also do sell these new as well. So this is going to be kind of a little quick walk around. You got your front propane tanks, battery location, and as you make your way down the side of this, you'll notice this doesn't have a slide out either. It is a bunkhouse with nice bunks, but you have storage under the rear bunks, pass-through storage across the front, mid door, big door over the dinette, and a full awning down the side of it with a light on it and speakers in the awning, which is pretty awesome. And this is a nice little trailer. It is metal sided, it is a Jayco. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So as you notice, it's got a nice bedroom, big front bedroom area there. And then in the bedroom, you got the front bed with storage underneath it, opens up to the other side, closets. I like that Jayco did the shelf over the bed. It is a nice place for clothes or storage. This does have a couch here, which is pretty cool because it does make a bed, extra sleeping area. Mid kitchen area with storage across the way here. You got your dinette that also makes into a bed. Good size refrigerator in this guy because it is a bunkhouse. You got your sink, your beds. You got two queen beds back there. Tons of room for sleeping. A couple adults that are kind of deceiving at how big they are. There's a lot of room there. Your sink is outside the bathroom. And then you have your sink and you have your bathroom across the back with a nice tub. Some people kind of prefer the tub for little kids. I know I have a bunkhouse that works well for me. This trailer and anything here at Guaranty, I'm happy to help you. My name is Kirk Blair. My cell phone's 541-601-8742. Looking forward to meeting you and helping out. Have a good day.